You're welcome to today's video presentation. It's your girl OJB Fashion, and if it's your first time, I'd like to say a very big welcome to you. And if you're a returning viewer, a subscriber, we say we love you. So today we're going to be learning how to cut a 720-degree flare, which is double of a 360-degree flare. So if you're yet to hit the subscribe button, please do, so you get every of our uploads and video presentation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the presentation. We'll be right back. welcome back. Okay, in OJB fashion style, we try as much as possible to make our videos simple and straightforward. Our techniques are very, very simple, such that beginners in fashion, novice, people who are just starting up can catch up and easily cut out a style. Alright, from the video you could see the simple technique for attaching a bishop collar to a top. In this particular outfit, it's something you could wear a turtleneck top or shirt in, since it's a free flare gown. And then after the stitch, we would attach a hook on the waist so as to be able to bring both ends of the outfit together to join them at the middle. That's basically all. So see you in our next video. I hope you enjoyed this teaching. If you have any questions, you could drop it below in the comment section. Bye.